Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning about the sun, but as you guys can see, the sun isn't out. It's a bit of a gloomy day, but I still wanted to get the opportunity to teach you guys a lesson outside. But before we get into my lesson, I want to state to you guys that my lesson plan is for first graders, and it's for first graders, and the objectives we're going to learn today is the harmful effects of the sun and the benefits of the sun. So like I said earlier, we don't quite have the sun out, so I can't show you guys, but I do have visuals on my laptop to show you guys. So if we head over here, this picture of the sun right here is a picture you would see during a sunrise or a sunset. This one is a picture of the sun that you see in the atmosphere, a really close-up one, and this right here is the sun in the middle of the solar system. So a question I want to ask you guys is, what is the sun? I'll give you guys 30 seconds to answer it in your head. So the sun is a star. The sun is 4 billion years old. The sun is very, very, very hot. The sun is the center of the solar system, as you saw in the picture, and the sun is made of hydrogen and helium. So now that you guys know what the sun is and you know a little bit more about it, I'm gonna walk you guys over to the benefits of a sun. So follow me. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you the benefits of the sun. So as you can see right here, these are plants that we planted from the seed, and as you can see, they're growing. And the reason why they're growing is because of the sun. Yes, we planted them, but without the sunlight, they wouldn't grow or get to be as big as they are right now, because the sunlight gives them nutrition and all the vitamins they need to get this big. So we have a little garden right here, as you guys can see. So right here, these are bigger benefits, meaning as these are bigger trees from the sunlight. Right here we have an avocado tree. And then we have a mango tree right here, and we have a star fruit tree right there. And if you guys don't know what a star fruit is, it's this right here. And the reason why these plants are so big is because of the sunlight. Like I said, it gives them all the vitamins and nutrition it needs, and therefore it gives us this. So not only does the sun benefit these awesome plants, but these awesome plants benefit us. So the sun benefits plants and humans. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you another benefit from the sun. It's not the bird feeder, but it's what lands on top of the bird feeder, which is an animal, which is a bird. Not only do humans and plants and trees and grass all benefit from the sun, animals do too. They benefit from warmth, from their sleep cycle, when they need to know when to go into hibernation. It helps them a lot. So animals, humans, and pretty much all of nature benefits from the sun. So now that we talked about the benefits of the sun, now we need to talk about the harmful effects of the sun. The harmful effects of the sun can be sunburns, wrinkle damage, skin cancer, aging spots, eye damage. I don't quite have visualization to show you guys, but we will discuss it more, and I will show you more in the next class. So there are harmful effects of the sun as much as there are benefits of the sun. Alright class, I brought the remaining lesson inside. So the last thing that you guys are probably wondering or asking yourself, and what I also want to ask you, is how do you protect yourself from the sun? So right here I have a few items to show and explain to you how you can protect yourself from the sun. So the first thing we have right here is just a hat. This hat can protect you from the sun. If you wear it, protect your face and it protects your head, because the sun is very, very hot and the rays are coming down. The next thing that can protect you from the sun is very important. It's sunscreen. You put it on your face, your hands, your legs, anywhere that's going to be exposed to sun. You put this on. And I also want to state something to you guys. As when I first started the video, I wanted to show you guys the sun, but the sun wasn't out. So you don't only wear sunscreen when the sun's out, because even when the sun isn't out, like today, you still need to wear sunscreen because the UV rays can still affect you. The next item is sunglasses. These protect your eyes if you have very sensitive eyes, or if you happen to look into the sun for some reason, these can protect you from it. And lastly, but most importantly, is water. Water is your number one friend. You need water. You need to stay hydrated so you do not get dehydration. These are a few items that can protect you from the sun. So to wrap up my lesson, with everything that we learned today, I taught you guys what the sun is. I taught you guys the harmful effects of the sun and the benefits of the sun, and I showed you guys a few pictures of how the sun looks like. So our activity, to wrap it all together, I'm going to go around and give you guys a white piece of paper like this, and I want you guys to draw your own version of the sun. You guys saw a couple pictures of how it looks. I also want you guys to remember that each sun will be different because each student is different and has different ideas, so that is okay. There is no right or wrong. So the materials we're going to use for this activity today are going to be markers that I'm going to put on each of your table. Paint, if you guys would like to paint your sun, I'm going to have a couple at my desk, so just come and grab it from me. And crayons. This is also going to be on your desk. I'm going to put a pack there. So once you draw your sun, on the back, I want you to write your first and your last name and one thing you learned about today's lesson. So one thing I learned about in today's lesson I wrote is all of the protection you can use from the sun. When you guys are done with this activity, hand it in to me, and in the next class I will show you visualizations of the harmful effects of the sun because I didn't have it with me. And thank you.